Today I'm going to be walking you guys through how to locate Dynamic Classroom on Big Ideas. This is going to be a great resource video for you guys to locate and to kind of familiarize yourself again with Big Ideas and where your homework, where you can find the textbook and extra problems to practice, all on this platform that are going to be super important to know during this school year. So I'm going to kind of walk you guys through that. So please pay super close attention because this is part of your assignment, and I'm pretty much showing you how to do it right now. So, step one, as you can see on the slides, watch this video. Congratulations, you already found the video and you're watching me now. So, step two, I'm going to move this so I can read it a little bit. It says, once you get to lesson 1.1, use your snipping tool and take a picture of your screen. Copy the picture and paste it into the space below. So, first things first, we need to go locate Big Ideas. So I'm going to walk you guys through this if you do not know how to do this so far. So I'm going to exit real quick. Exit this. And we're going to go through the Park Hill portal. It's super important that we go through here so you are logged in and have all the credentials. So Park Hill portal, that's portal.parkhill.k12.mo.us. Bookmark that if you have not already. And then right here, Big Ideas Learning, the logo, you're going to click that. So it looks like I'm already logged in, but sometimes it might have you log in through Clever. So make sure you click that blue button that says log in through Clever, and then you'll make sure you put in Lakeview Middle School, make sure it's the Park Hill School District, and make sure you just log in through that way to make sure it goes all smoothly. If not, we can Zoom, I can walk you through it if you have any problems at all. So once you are here, this is kind of what Big Ideas looks like for my end. I know it's going to look a little different for you all, but this is the teacher mode. There are no in-progress assignments, nothing assigned to you right now, and not until next week. So what I want you to do, we're going to locate Dynamic Classroom. That can either be over here in the featured components on the left side of my screen, or another way to access this, I like to call it the little hamburger. It's these three lines over here on the right side. So if I were to do it on the right side, I just click those three little lines or the hamburger, and I can also find Dynamic Classroom and all these other resources through this tool. So I know I was looking at some of your all screens student-wise. I believe yours might be called something different than Dynamic Classroom, like Student Edition or something like that. Know that that is the same thing, and that is okay. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. You guys might show up totally somewhere different. Right now, I'm already on 1.1. Right on, that's where we're going to need to go. But if you are not there, I'm going to show you how to access where you need to go. So you're going to click Menu, this little book on the left side. And then I'm already in section 1.1, but if you are not, keep clicking that chapter. This is all of the chapter overview that we are going to be hitting this school year. We are starting with chapter 1. We are going in order. So go ahead, click chapter 1. This is kind of the chapter overview. We are going to be starting section 1.1 next week. So go ahead, click that, because that's what we need to locate is lesson 1.1. A lot of times I might just have you guys dive in and do a key idea about absolute value, or you're just going to use the notes that I gave to you guys in your pickup folders that you can use to follow along with my notes or my videos that I provide. So sometimes it's videos from me, sometimes it's like dive on into Big Ideas. I promise I will tell you and help you along the way. So here's our lesson 1.1. I'm going to go ahead and screenshot this. So I use the snipping tool. I pin it to my bar, but if you do not, then go ahead, go to that little bar at the bottom and type in snipping tool. So mine currently isn't working, so you can also scroll, and it should be, of course not, it's not over here. Your all's little keyboard should work. Mine doesn't, unfortunately. But the little tool, it looks like little scissors. All right. So snipping tool, you're going to go to New, click it, Then whatever your screen is, this is to know that I know that you found lesson 1.1 for your assignment. And then boom, there it is. Booyah, okay? So we're gonna go back to our assignment. And we are on step 2. We're gonna right click, paste, and awesome. That shows me that you located and you are following along through this video. Okay, so you have completed step 2. Step 3, it says locate skills trainer. So locate chapter 1 skills. So once we get to skills trainer, we will then need to go to chapter 1 skills, adding rational numbers, and 1.5, subtracting rational numbers. All right, so here we go. We're gonna go back to big ideas. This is where you can go a couple places, but I want to use the hamburger that we were using earlier. So over here on the right side, click that hamburger, and it says it wants to find skills trainer. So if you look right here in the middle column, there's our skills trainer. And then you should be on this page right here, and it has lists of different skills that you may be practicing throughout the school year. What I want you to do is I want you to click chapter. This helps us a lot. So we're starting with chapter 1. So here we are. This is the screen that I need you to snip. So go ahead, get your snipping tool out. This is my previous photo. I'm going to go and hit new. This indicates that I made it there for Miss Mutz to give me the grade. And then there it is. I'm going to go back to my assignment, right click, paste. Awesome. There you go, step 3. Check complete. Last step. So it says step 4, answer the questions in the box below. So question number 1 says, how do you feel about learning math digitally? And I want you to start that sentence with, I feel. So I know that's going to be different for everyone. Maybe you're feeling really excited because you like going at your own pace through math. Maybe you're scared. Maybe you're scared because I won't be there to answer your questions immediately right there to help you along the way. Whatever those feelings are, I want you to express those to me. Please be honest. There's no judgment here. I just need to know so I can help you throughout this school year. And then number 2, it says, is there anything you or your parents would like for me to know as we start this learning, distance learning journey together? So when I say distance learning, I mean either that be through hybrid or virtually. So there's pretty much this journey in general. What do you want me to know? So maybe whatever that be, put it there for me to read. Okay, so make sure you complete that. And then last but not least, step 5. So make sure you go back to Schoology after this assignment and make sure you click submit. That will tell me that it's all done. I can go in, give you that grade, and yeah, right on. So this is due Tuesday, September 15th by midnight. So get this in. If you have any questions along the way, please reach out to me. We can figure it out together. So good luck.